What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today, I'm just testing out this windshield. This is not a real video for you guys. I just want to see if this joint works, because if it don't work, I'm taking this joint right back to the stove. Shout out to Randy Renfro for giving me the link to the joint. It better be a good product, Randy. I'm not playing with you. Anyways, we're about to take Jane on a little journey, guys. All right, we're gonna take Jane off-roading, guys. This is her first time and she doesn't have a helmet. My dad actually got a helmet for Christmas and she didn't want to get it. She didn't want to wear it today, so that's on her. Your boy got a helmet though. Check out your boy. Yeah, okay. Looking right. Anyways, we're gonna take her off-road and yeah, we're gonna see if she can handle the joint. Let's get into it. Okay, let's go up here first because this is a tight little view. Left. Go over those little bean bags. Be careful. That's when you need suspension. Okay. Oh! This is a nice little view up here. So look at this. This view is sick as hell. Thumbnail. Look. So tight. Right? You trying to go down? Look.
Not really, Nate.
Look, right here. Extreme. Jane.
I'm definitely not.
We're going down this.
Don't have a helmet.
You said you were down to do extreme stuff.
I didn't, actually.
Alright, I guess we're not doing this.
You honestly need suspension.
No, you don't. Alright, so I just wanted to see this view. Now we're gonna get into the joint. Nothing's as extreme as that, I'll tell you that.
You've done it before?
That? No.
Oh.
Hell no. But I've done what we were about to do. You ready? Alright, so technically, Jane, I don't think we're supposed to be on these paths, like electric bikes. I have to do research because the sign's up. But if you ever see people just pedal, act like it's a regular bike. So what I was just telling Jane is, look, it says no motorized vehicles, right? But I think e-bikes are not considered a motorized vehicle. I think this is like a gas-powered bike or something. So I gotta do more research, but we still gonna go anyways. Who cares? Drop that gear, dog. Drop that gear. She about to break her bike. Look at the joint. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. My cousin is coming out here tomorrow, and I'm gonna bring my chest mount so the camera's not gonna be all shaky. We're gonna do the same route with him. So y'all gonna have to bear through the first half of this video, but when he come out, it's really going down. Woo! Speed limit is 25, but we going 28 miles per hour. You feel me? Little jump? Jane, you're not trying to do the jump. You're not trying to do the little baby jump. Heck yes. All right, let's go. Yeah, we out here, guys. All right, slow down, Dave. Slow down. I've been living out here in Temecula for like 5 years now. Had no clue that this was back here. So what I suggest to you is hop on your bike and go explore. You never know what you might find, guys. This is an amazing little route. Huh, Jane? Huh, Jane?
I can't hear anything.
She can't hear me. This is an amazing route though, huh? So far? And it's about to get intense now. Don't chicken out. I'm doing this with one hand, guys, by the way. Tomorrow I'm gonna have two hands and we really gonna be hitting it. Here's a pedestrian, so we gotta turn off the motor and act like, you know, this is a regular freaking bike. Even though we're going uphill, it's about to take forever and it's gonna be hard as hell. I can't even go. I'm walking, dog. I can't even do it. This bike is too heavy to be going uphill with no motor assistance. Like, hell no. Look at that. She got the strongest legs alive. So look, we're gonna try something now. I'm gonna try to put it in walk mode and see if it helps me up this hill. Let's see. Hold the down button. All right, it's in walk. Look at that. Easy. It's definitely helping out a little bit. If I didn't have to hold this camera, it would be super easy. Yeah, we in walk mode, guys. So if you're struggling to go up a hill, hold the down button, let it do the work for you. We moving now. I'm in level 3, pedal assist 3, gear is 2, and we moving. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Work
You good?
out.
Who said you can't get a workout on this bike? I did. And I was wrong. Because you definitely can. Look at this. Is Jane gonna do it? I want to show you guys this, but I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow. So just watch the video to the end. I'm gonna do the same route with my cousin. I can't do this with one hand. I'm sorry.
What
Guys,
happened?
my freaking chain came off. So while I thought I was in a low gear, your boy was in 7 trying to do this steep hill right here. So put too much pressure on the chain. Hopefully I can get it loose. Get it right. Cause to be honest, I don't know how to do this. You know, Jane?
I mean, chains have like master links, but
No,
I don't know if you...
I'm trying to do it just come
Just like...
on and come on.
Oh, shoot, yeah.
It's off. Should I have not done that? You gotta put it on the actual teeth, guys. This is a learning process for me as well. And I think you just spin the joint. Look at that. Easy! Professional. I've been doing this for years, guys.
For 20
I was
years.
just playing. 20 years of experience right here, okay? If you guys want your chain fixed, hit up your boy. Let's continue. Guys, I think we stumbled upon something great. A true beauty. Take a look over here. Come here, Jim. Look at this joint right here, guys. I think we found a little baby jump. And I think it's perfect for the Lectric XP. It's not too crazy, you know what I'm saying? I think we can do it. Now, if you guys want me to do this, you gotta watch the video to the end, okay? I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it tomorrow with my cousin. Watch it to the end. Your boy's gonna get like 3 feet of air that time, okay? So yeah, just letting you guys know, you don't wanna miss that. So keep on watching. Let's continue, Jane. Look at this little jump. I'm gonna have to hit this too, guys. I'm gonna hit this tomorrow, okay? So keep on watching. Look at this neighborhood. So nice. Did they put the lock on it? They did. We're gonna turn back around now and do the same thing but backwards. So let's do it. Jane over here struggling. Got it.
If you don't edit that out.
That's making the final cut. What the hell is that?
Somebody building.
Oh, I thought that was your tire. I thought you had a flat. If you're liking these vlog style videos, hit that like button. All right, let's shoot for 129 likes on this video. I'm gonna try to do more vlog styles. I'm not running out of ideas, but you know, it's always good and always fun to just hop on a bike and just go for a ride and hit record. You never know what you might find. And you know, with your boy, it's always gonna be entertaining. So yeah, if you guys want me to keep up with the vlog styles, hit that like button, okay? I'll try to do some more. Oh, I gotta hold on 2 hands, guys. Sorry. Ooh, this is shaky. Sorry if the camera angles are shaky. I'm doing the best I can. Tomorrow's gonna be way better footage. So I'm gonna have the chest mount. I might even mount it on my head so you guys can see where I'm looking. Yeah, I think I'm gonna mount it on my head. Also, shout out to Randy Renfro again. I just put on like a little case to like block out the wind noise of my camera. Let me know if the sound is like a little bit better. He has one for the GoPro Hero 7 or something like that. It works for him. I don't know if it's made for this one, but we'll see. If not, I'm returning it. But shout out to you, Randy. Appreciate it. And everybody go check out Randy Rides. That's his YouTube name. He makes some good content as well. He's doing some stuff to his bike that's gonna be next level. He already put the little vinyl wrap on the joint, and he's really good with the freaking 3D printer. Stay tuned for that stuff. I can't wait for it. So yeah, go check out Randy Rides. Let's wait. I ain't trying to get complaint, and I ain't trying to pay the fine. How much is the fine? It doesn't say, but I ain't got the money to pay it, even if it was $5. Get out of here. They're about to take forever. All right, we're just gonna go this way, and then we'll cut back into the dirt.
This way?
Yeah.
Sidewalk?
Yeah. Street. Yeah. Oh, going this way. Yeah, we'll just cut back in. They take it forever. This is the point where I get the negative comments. Why are you on the wrong side of the street? But you know what? Even if it's bad comments, it still helps out my channel. So, sorry guys. It's an empty street. I'm just trying to have fun out here, okay? But hit that like button and go ahead and comment away. Let's continue. Leave a like if you guys like this helmet I got. I know it's a little bit extreme, but I mean, that's my middle name. Also, if this video gets to freaking 1,000 likes on the joint, I will do this steep hill right here. I swear on it. Let me just pull up to it. If we get 1,000 likes on the joint, I don't know if you guys can tell, this hill is steep as hell. The camera doesn't even do it justice, okay? I want to say it's a what? Has to be a 45-degree angle. I don't even know how they measure angles, but it's steep. If this she said that's as steep as the slide at Raging Waters. Yeah, I would assume so. 1,000 likes, I'll do it in a future video. Okay, let's continue. We're gonna meet up. Yeah. Little shortcut. Jane don't even know about it, guys. Look at your boy. Where's she at with it?
Oh no, this is another steepy.
That's not steepy. You got it. Look at her, guys. Messing up the shoes. She just cleaned the joints. She just cleaned those shoes, guys. Look at Redbone getting dirty, man. Down and dirty. One-hander on him. One-hander.
No hander.
Oh, hell no. Look at this. There it is. Come on, 28. I can't hit it. It's because we've been riding already. I can't hit the 28 miles per hour. I just killed her in a freaking drag race though. Who wants it? We got the same exact bike, but mine is faster. Let's go. I changed a couple settings on the joint. I'll let you guys know about that in a future video as well. This is called a California roll. You slow down, but you don't necessarily stop completely. As long as there ain't no cars around, you just go ahead and do it, you know? Look at the joint. She almost lost her hat. That's how you know this joint is fast. We are moving, guys. We in Pedal Assist 5, flying. It might not look fast on camera, but dude, we are speedy. How'd you like that one, Jane?
The route itself, a 10 out of 10.
Uh-huh.
But unfortunately, I wasn't prepared for off-roading today.
I told you it was gonna do some extreme stuff today. So we're back at home, guys. We're about to put these joints on the charger. And then tomorrow, my cousin is coming out here. We're gonna hit that same path, but the extreme level is gonna be times 10, okay? We're gonna take it off the jumps. So keep on watching and hit that like button if you haven't already, all right? Let's go. Well, would you look at this? What happened? We didn't even do anything extreme. It was light off-roading at best, guys. And we got a freaking flat tire. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to take my cousin on that same trail. We're gonna be spending our day changing these tires, okay? So guess what the next video is gonna be titled? How to change a flat tire on Lectric XP. Wanna know the funny thing about it? Your boy had slime this whole freaking time. So that's what we're gonna be doing. That's the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next video, how to change a flat tire on Lectric XP, all right? Till the next one, deuces. Like that.